Hey crafty friends, in today's video I am going to show you how you can take some regular cardboard boxes and turn it into a nice cozy faux fireplace for the holidays. Now what you'll need are very simple items for this project. All you'll really need are some old boxes or new boxes, whatever floats your boat, some duct tape, packaging tape, and hot glue for this. For our fireplace, we used about 9 to 10 boxes, and we just sealed them up with some packaging tape and then hot glued them together. A key to this is to be able to put enough glue and packaging tape so that it can hold well, because depending on how big and how heavy your boxes are, it may take a little bit more willpower to make sure that all your boxes stay together. Next, I am taking some of this brick paper that I got from Michael's. It came in a very huge roll, and covering it with a basic white foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. The foam board will act as the backing part to the fireplace and will really kind of offset it to give it the fireplace look. So after I wrap the foam board with the brick paper, I just take the remaining boxes that we use for the chimney and just wrap those and the paper as well. I am not the best wrapper, but the concept behind wrapping the boxes are to just wrap them as if you are making wrapping your Christmas gifts. So it gives you a little bit of an early start. So now it's time for the fun part. I got these birchwood wood strips from Michael's. They were originally $20, but I got to use a 50% off coupon. They came in a bundle of 3, and we got these because we really wanted to play on the fireplace, like woodsy portion of it. And then we also got these string lights. They are 10 feet. I got them from Five Below for $5, and so we just wanted to wrap the lights around the wood to kind of give a fiery illumination to our new fireplace. And to continue with the light theme, I got these colorful string lights from Target's Dollar Spot. They were 5 feet and they were only $3. And I also got the little sleigh rides and Mrs. Claus's Cookie and Company little wood signs from Target as well. In addition to those decorations, I got the green little garland with the candy canes on it from Dollar Tree, and I got our stockings from Dollar Tree too. And so there you have it. You have a nice fireplace made super easy with just using some paper, some tape, and some duct tape and hot glue. I'd be the first one to admit that my family is not a house of symmetry, but however, we wanted to really make this something for our home, and it was a new project that me and my husband did together, and we couldn't be more excited of how it turned out. I hope that this quick tutorial either helps you or inspires you to include some DIY holiday decor in your home. If you do decide to make a DIY fireplace or DIY fireplace with chimney, please let me know. Tag me on Facebook and Instagram at Marissa K Creates. And until next time, happy holidays from my family to yours.